Yes, so the noise. I've had lots of questions like this one, or similar ones. Some are funny, but there are a lot of worry about the noise in my shop, so I thought I should do some tests. I'll just remove my standard hearing protection. Even my hat's got... In Sweden we don't have OSHA, we have this. It's Arbetsmiljöverket, and they have this app called Buller. It's made for measuring in industrial environments for testing noise levels. So here we go, let's test. So first I have to start the entire system, and here we go. So now we're up and running, and this is the app, and it tells you to turn the phone towards the noise, which I'm doing, and this is the measuring. So it measures over a time, and then you get an average, and you can measure as long as you want. And 73 decibels I think we end up at, which is way lower than safety hazard level.